Long ago, people observed something very powerful. The sky is full of stars. Stars are not fixed, they move slowly over time. They also noticed something interesting. When certain stars appeared and disappeared, season began to change. Rain came, the weather became hot, the air turned cold. From the sky, they understood life on earth. But there was one problem. Watching the sky continuously for a long time was not easy. Looking up for hours would strain the neck and make the body tired. So they found a calm and beautiful solution. They went to the temple tank and sat quietly near the water. There they saw something magical. The sky reflected in the water like a mirror. The stars appeared clearly in that water. Instead of looking up, they could now look down and observe comfortably. They sat for hours, peacefully watching how the stars slowly moved. In this way, they studied patterns, understood changes, and learned deeply from nature itself. People did not just look at stars, they carefully observed how they moved. And from that observation, a simple idea was born. Stars going up means positive, stars going down means negative. Staying in the same place means 0. Now, here is something very important. So, every integer has two meanings. The number tells the size, and the sign tells the direction. This is why we call integers directed numbers. To make this even clearer, imagine a simple aeroplane in the sky. Don't think about travel, just focus on the direction. When the aeroplane moves upward through the stars, it shows positive direction. When it moves downward, it shows negative direction. Now, let's learn how to add and subtract integers using this idea. Rules very easy. When both numbers have the same sign, we simply add them and keep the same sign. For instance, 5 plus 2. Both are positive, so we add. 5 plus 2 is 7 and the answer is positive 7. Now take negative 5 plus negative 2. Both are negative. So again we add. 5 plus 2 is 7 and we keep the negative sign. So the answer is negative 7. Now let's see what happens when the signs are different. When the signs are different, we subtract the numbers and take the sign of the bigger number. For instance, 5 plus negative 2. The signs are different. So we subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3. The bigger number is 5 and it is positive. So the answer is positive 3. Next, negative 5 plus 2. Again, different signs. We subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3. This time the bigger number is negative 5. So the answer is negative 3. Now let's understand subtraction. Subtraction becomes very easy if you remember one simple trick. Change subtraction into addition and change the sign of the second number. So 5 minus 2 becomes 5 plus negative 2. Now we already know how to solve it. The answer is 3. 5 minus negative 2 becomes 5 plus 2. Now both are positive, so we add. The answer is 7. Negative 5 minus 2 becomes negative 5 plus negative 2. Both are negative, so we add. The answer is negative 7. Finally, negative 5 minus negative 2 becomes negative 5 plus 2. The signs are different, so we subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3, and since the bigger number is negative, the answer is negative 3. So remember this clearly. When signs are the same, add and keep the sign. When signs are different, subtract and take the sign of the bigger number. And whenever you see subtraction, change it into addition and flip the sign. That's it. Integers are not difficult at all. Next time you look up at the stars, remember you are not just seeing the sky. You are seeing mathematics all around you.